Hello there, my name's Mike. It's Saturday morning and I'm off to the match. The only problem is, I don't know who to support. I'll see you at the turnstile. Now today's fixture isn't on Sky Sports, so the only way you're going to catch up with the action is to stick with me. We're almost there now, but I think the action might have already started. I know it looks like the back of beyond, but down this wonderful country lane, this is where it's all happening this morning. I don't know if dogs will be allowed in. Oh, I hope there's room in the car parks. Could be full of team buses and things like that. No wonder Sky Sports never make it down here. Here's the car park. Football? Who was thinking about football? We're here for the Ploughing Match today, and I think I've got one of the officials here. Stephen Thompson, what's your role in this?
I'm treasurer for Norton Ploughing Association and also host with my wife and mum on the farm here today.
And how many contestants are we expecting today?
I think we're towards 20, if not just above, hopefully.
Right. And what sort of area of land are we talking about?
I think they're on about 5 or 6 acres.
Yeah.
They all have a small plot that they have to plough perfectly.
Yeah.
With no rubbish showing, level, nice.
And how far afield have people come from then?
Somebody came last night from Cumbria and stayed overnight.
Superb.
And then tonight he's going off to Hull. So
wow.
He does the trip round.
Yeah,
really.
yeah. And do we get lots of spectators as well?
It's publicised, so people do turn up. People come in the farming industry, but also just general public can turn up. We're quite happy with that.
I suppose it all depends on the weather. If the weather's grim, I should imagine there's no bleaker place to be.
No, there isn't, and even I don't turn up if it's raining. I'll leave them to it.
Brilliant. We'll go and see what's happening then. Thank you. So what better place for a sporting contest? Well, I say sport. They're definitely competing against each other, so I suppose it is a sport. Now, people tell me that archery is the oldest sport known to man, but surely ploughing's been going on just as long. And here we are in the Moss Valley, and it sort of straddles the border between Yorkshire and Derbyshire, and I'm heading towards the Derbyshire bit at the moment. And over there I can see the action's already beginning. Real sheep here and there showing their colours all in red and white. Yes, the action is underway here, and there's not such a big crowd yet, but I'm sure they'll pour in later on. Let's go and take a closer look. So who are you and how far have you come from?
I'm Passy, I come from Cambie Corner, near Lincoln.
Oh right, so you'd have had to set up early this morning.
Just over an hour's drive.
Yeah. And you're a farmer over there then, presumably?
No, I've worked on a farm in the past.
Right.
Now retired.
Oh right, but still keep your hand in with the competition?
Try to, yeah.
And how many contests do you enter a year then?
5, 6 maybe.
And you've been here before then to Norton? Oh right.
First time.
Yeah. Well, you've brought some decent weather for October.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, we'll see how you get on with this. It looks very impressive so far. How many more runs have you to do up and down here then?
I'll say we've got the judges now.
Right, I shall have a close look at this and wait for the judges to come. Thanks ever so much. Thank you. Look at that, perfectly ploughed. It's a contest for old men. You're mistaken. Look at this young lad handling this tractor. Some of these ploughs and tractors must be 100 years old or more. No, still not many spectators here. But that's good because I don't think they're going for crowd segregation at this match. Now I've been looking to buy a match programme, but I can't find any on sale. But I have found this board, which I think must be very important. Now the standard of ploughing is measured by a team of judges, and I'm sure sometimes it can get a little bit contagious because they all look absolutely amazing, these entries at Povey Farm at Norton in Sheffield. I wonder if they have VAR. There's certainly no need for a slow motion replay. We've got enough time to call for an oil painting. Rainworth in Nottinghamshire.
Yeah,
wow.
yeah.
And have you been to Norton before for the championships?
No.
Right, and how are you finding the soil this morning?
Alright, we're out this bank.
Oh, right.
Yeah, the soil's alright, but we're out this bank side, you know. There's plots up there that are level and we're flying on this bank side, but just look at the draw.
Look of the draw.
Yeah.
Now I won't be rude enough to ask you your age, but how old is this tractor and plough?
1959.
Is it? Oh, that's as old as me.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm a 1959er as well.
I'm 1951.
Oh yeah, oh right. Brilliant. Well, good luck for the rest of the day.
Okay.
Thank you. Now at football matches they usually have a sign up saying please do not encroach onto the playing surface. I think I've done a bit of encroaching here and right in the way.
Thomas, come and have a look now. That's
Now this young man's benefiting from a bit of touchline coaching. Now these are nice deep furrows. But what do I know? So what's your name?
Charlie Rapley.
And where do you come from this morning?
Between Ashbourne and Belfast.
Oh, that's a bit of a trek. What time did you get up this morning?
I overlay.
Oh, right.
I'm glad I worked up at 25 to 7. I should have done up at 6 o'clock.
Oh, right.
But I wasn't allowed plenty of time.
Right.
Yeah. So,
and how old is this fabulous tractor you've got here?
70.
70 years old?
That's about exactly now.
Yeah. And how long have you owned it for?
Well, my dad bought it in 1980.
Right. And you have a farm down at Hull and Ward, do you?
No, retired now.
All right, so you just do this for fun?
Yeah. It's good fun.
And have you been up to Norton before?
Yeah, I came last year.
Yeah.
Got second after 2.
Oh, right.
I think I'm the third after 3 today.
Oh. So what's the quality of the soil like here then?
Look, it's all right, yeah. It's hard in places, it's all right.
Yeah. Fabulous. Well, good luck with the judges then today. Thank you.
More than luck, I need divine intervention.
Thank you. Now, being a bit sceptical here, but the owners of Ploughing Farm, by hosting this competition every year, they get the fields ploughed for free, don't they? And these are the trophies that are at stake today. The one at the back has a date on it, 1884. Well, I'm going to wind up this Mike's mission at the Ploughing Match. There's no indication how much longer this is going on for, so I'm not going to stay until the trophies are presented. But it's been a fabulous morning over here. And again, I say, look at this scenery. So thanks for joining me. If you press the button to subscribe, it'll encourage me to do more silly things like this on a Saturday morning. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.